Welcome to our full guide on checking your Walmart Mastercard balance. Today, we'll explore the benefits of your card and how it can enhance your shopping experience. First, let's head to the Walmart Mastercard website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL. Log into your Walmart account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, registering is quick and easy. Once logged in, find your Walmart Mastercard balance on the home page. It's usually displayed prominently for easy access. You can also check your balance using the Walmart mobile app. Simply log in, and your balance will be visible on the dashboard. If you prefer speaking with someone, you can check your balance through customer service by calling the provided number on your card. To manage your balance effectively, consider setting a budget for essential purchases and keep track of your spending habits. If you experience issues checking your balance, ensure that your internet connection is stable and try clearing your cache. In summary, accessing your Walmart Mastercard balance is simple through the website or app. Use the tips we've shared to stay informed and manage your spending better. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.